Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherelle. If you're new here, hi, how are you? I don't know if this is a good angle, but I don't have my camera on the dashboard. I have it like, I don't know, by my steering wheel. And I don't know if this is like a terrible angle. So I'm gonna do the video, but you guys let me know if this is a terrible angle, okay? Because I feel like it's like, I don't know. We shall see. But you guys, look what I got. I got a Stanley Cup. Can you guys believe it? It's water. It's water. But y'all didn't tell me how heavy this was. It's a 40 ounce, okay? But yeah, so I got that. So today, I already have the food. Today we have sushi, okay? So the sushi I got is called, okay y'all, so I had to pick up my camera and hold my camera because my phone was kind of keeping it at the angle it was, so I need to look at it to tell you guys what sushi I got and what comes on the sushi I got. So my eye is irritating me. Anyway, so from the new menu, they got salmon on the beach, king salmon, kiss of fire, yummy, which is deep fried, king tiger, which is deep fried, and giant spicy tuna, which is raw. So what I got was the king salmon. So what comes on that is crab sticks, cucumber, avocado in a roll with smoked salmon, cream cheese, and spicy mayo. And the kiss of fire is also what I got. That comes with tempura shrimp, jalapeno, avocado, spicy tuna in a roll with eel sauce and hot sauce with crunch, I guess crunchy flakes. It's a crunch flakes. But yeah, so that's what I got. And I have been craving sushi for the longest. Y'all, I've been craving sushi for so long. I mean, my craving went away, but I'm like, I'm about to get some sushi. Y'all, this might be a terrible angle. I don't know. Y'all gonna have to let me know. I should have asked for some extra like spicy mayo. Got me 2 chopsticks. Okay, y'all, I put my camera back where I normally have it because I don't know. I don't know. Okay, y'all, so y'all seen the sushi. So that's how it look. Okay, you guys, got my chopsticks out. Break them apart. Do I know how to use chopsticks? Not really, but I do be using them when I get sushi. So, okay, you guys, let's try the king salmon first. Without soy. See, y'all, I can't pick it up. Oh my God, I haven't. Oh, wait, no. Hold on. Here it is. Give me my cream cheese. I love cream cheese on my sushi. Or in my sushi. So good. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna try another one. Oh my God, I ate one of my cream cheeses from off the other one. Dip. Oh! My whole piece of sushi fell in my freaking what's this called? Soy sauce. So now I gotta pick it up and eat it. Oh my god, that's so salty. Oh, that soy sauce salty. I don't think they gave me no napkins. Y'all, I love sushi. And normally when I go and get some sushi, I'll get hooked on it. Oh, what's that? Wasabi sauce. Wasabi? Oh, that do something to your nose. Y'all, let's try the one with the crunchy flakes on it. I can't show y'all up close because, like, it's going to be falling all over the place. Let me see. Let me see if I can do it with my hand. Try to show y'all. Y'all see that? Falling. Oh, I don't want to dip it first. Let me eat it. A lot going on. Flavors are just bursting in my mouth. I don't see how some people don't like sushi. I think some people don't like it because they assume that all sushi is raw. And it ain't. Y'all, what's this? Like, what is this? I be eating it with my sushi sometimes. Ginger or something? Shredded ginger? Garnish? Yeah, I think it's ginger. I love sushi. It's so good. Let me eat another one of the salmon ones. That ginger, if that's what it is, tastes so good with it. And that cream cheese. Yeah, I'm stuttering. Yeah, I usually don't have a hard time picking up my sushi with chopsticks. But today, I'm having trouble. It's so good. I don't think I should have went there because every time I go, I get hooked and I just can't stop going. But y'all, all together, all of this was $23. Expensive. Oh my God. I freaking love sushi. I'm gonna go back and order some more so bad. I'm finally getting my sushi fix. Oh god, that ginger is good. No, I can't pick. This ginger is like, okay, I gotta like spread it apart. Yeah, I'm only about to have 2 more of these ones left. Oh my gosh, no. Come here, cream cheese. I just don't see how people don't like sushi. Y'all ain't getting the right ones if y'all don't know. I mean, if y'all don't like sushi, y'all ain't getting the right ones or something. This one with the shrimp tail sticking out, I gotta pick this one up to eat that one. So refreshing. It's so good. I can eat sushi every day. There was a point where I was like eating it almost every day because it was so good. Let me tell y'all what turned me on to sushi. One day, this was at the time when I was eating a vegan diet and I was starving. And I was by this sushi place. And I just so happened to go in there and see what was on the menu. And I seen that they had some like sushi that was like didn't have any meat or dairy. So I'm like, let me get this. Like some type of veggie roll or something. And when I tell you guys, it was so good. I was hooked from there on out. Why it look like it's bacon on it? It's not. It's like bacon and barbecue sauce. It's not though, y'all. It's not. Oh my god. This one falling apart. It's so big. Oh god. Hold on. This one is a bit mushy. Bell peppers in it? I don't remember reading bell peppers. Oh, that's spicy. Whatever I just ate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, my mouth hot. What is that? Oh, it's real spicy. Woo, y'all. That was so good. This ain't always hot, was it?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I think it was. Woo! Woo! Where the water? That was not a bell pepper. Woo! Oh my god. My mouth's still burning. Oh my god. My mouth is burning. Fire. God. My eyes, y'all. I don't know what that was, but I ain't had nothing that hot in so long. Whoa. It ain't going away. Y'all, my mouth is still hot. Never again will I get it with that in it. Oh my God, what kind of pepper is that? Like, I like spicy, but whatever kind of pepper that was, baby. I gotta take it out. I gotta take it out. It look like a bell pepper. Oh my God. Oh my God. They're trying to kill me. And that was good. Y'all, I gotta see what that was. It's a jalapeno. But jalapenos, like fresh jalapenos, don't be that hot to me. Yo, I can't even go in Walmart no more. I was gonna go in Walmart and look for a drying mat, but like, I got stains on my clothes now from the soy sauce because the soy sauce spilled when I was going crazy from my mouth being so on fire. Nose about to run. I'm taking these damn jalapenos out. Jesus. Usually fresh jalapenos do not be hot to me. Woo! Get out. You're not welcome in my mouth. Yeah, I'm having a hard time picking it up. Never again will I order this with the jalapenos. I'll order this again, just not with the jalapeno. Oh, I can't pick that up. Y'all, this video went left so quick once I ate that pepper. Whoa. Whoa. Y'all, I can't use these chopsticks today. That, like, the whole video is like ruined. I got one more roll, y'all. I'll stick with the spicy mayo. Not no jalapenos in my sushi. Cheers to the last piece of sushi. The ginger is good. Y'all, that was crazy. That was so crazy. I spilled soy sauce all on my seat, on my clothes. Because, baby, that hot pepper, it was like they had that marinating and something real spicy. Y'all, my mouth is finally starting. Well, it's settled down now. Because after I ate that, I almost couldn't enjoy the rest of my sushi. Jesus, that was crazy. It was so hot. I'm going to give y'all my rating. The king salmon, I'm going to give that one an 8 out of 10 because I've had better. It was real good though. It was real good. Really, really good. I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. And that kiss of fire, that's why it's called kiss of fire. Oh my god, that kiss of fire, it was good, but that jalapeno that's in it took me out the game almost, y'all. I'm gonna give it an 8. I'm gonna give it an 8 because it was real good. But that, it's like the first one I ate wasn't hot like that though. I think because I had took it out thinking it was a bell pepper and I just ate it. I could have eaten the other ones with the bell pepper. I could have eaten the other sushi rolls with that jalapeno pepper in it. But when I took it out, that one, and just ate it because I thought it was a bell pepper, I was like, oh no, I can't eat this. I can't eat the pepper, the jalapeno pepper inside of it. I can't. It's too hot. Like, I buy fresh jalapenos from the grocery store, and when I chop them up and like put them in something, it don't be that hot. It be less hot than the ones you buy in a jar. The ones in a jar be hotter than fresh jalapenos. Unless you leaving the seed in the jalapeno, the fresh jalapeno. When you leave the seed in the fresh jalapeno, then, okay, it'll be burning hot. But when the seeds ain't in it, it don't be that hot. But theirs, I don't know. Kiss of fire. Yeah, it ain't a kiss. It ain't a kiss. It's more than a kiss. Okay? It ain't no little a fire. It's more than that. Let me stop saying that because like I said, I took it out or it fell out and I just ate it on its own. And that's why I was hot like that. But when I ate it that first time, it was a bit spicy, but it wasn't as spicy as when I ate it by itself. Oh my god. Woo! I love sushi. It was really good. And I actually want to go back and get some more, but $23 that I just paid, that's a bit much for some little rolls that you could just eat in 5.2 seconds. I don't know. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to end the video right here. I'm sorry the video went left and kind of almost made me not enjoy the sushi because of that freaking jalapeno pepper. I'm sorry. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. I hope you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss the upload whenever I upload a video here on my channel. And as to everyone else, I want to say thank you for watching and come back again and bye.